going on, everyone, and welcome to the video. So we're talking about these guys right here. These are the Nothing Ear 1. And if you've been plugged into the tech community, you've probably heard of these because these headphones were surrounded by a lot of hype before they came out. So just a little backstory on Nothing as a company. They were founded by Carl Pei, who you probably heard of him as well. He's the former founder of OnePlus. These particular headphones have a super dope semi-transparent design, have active noise cancellation, and they cost less than $100. Yeah, they're 99 bucks. Now, whenever it comes to a pair of headphones with active noise cancellation and, let's be honest, a super dope design that starts at $99, there are a couple questions that probably come to mind, right? Like, how good is the active noise cancellation? How good is the sound quality? And in terms of the product as a whole, is it reliable? Does it work well? That's what you and I are here to talk about now. Okay, you gotta admit, bro, the sickest part of the headphones are how they look. I mean, that's probably 50% of the reason why I bought them in the first place. The case is clear and plastic, and it looks like a squished cube. And it comes with all your regular features like wireless charging, a USB-C port, and a pairing button. When you open up the case, you'll feel a strong magnet in the front trying to keep it shut, and you'll feel a solid hinge in the back trying to flip it open. Now you take the headphones out of the case, and you see color-coded dots that'll help you put them back into the case the first time around. Dude, I've been using my AirPods for the last year and a half maybe, and I still can't figure out how to put those in the first time around. But colors, bro, I've been learning colors since kindergarten. I got that down. These are mistake-proof. Now, when you get up close and personal with the headphones, that's when things get wild. You can see everything in the stem that leads up to the drivers. You gotta think about it this way. This is a whole new level of craftsmanship, okay? Because when you put these headphones together, not only do you have to make the inside look clean and dope because everyone can see it, it has to also be functional at the same time. And Nothing pulled off both of those while making these IPX4 sweat and splash resistant. So if you want to take them to the gym, go for it, bro. And you're probably wondering, do they sound good? And does the active noise cancellation sound good? I'm not gonna lie to you. These headphones are not going to sound as good or cancel sound as well as $300 or $400 headphones. But do they sound well enough and cancel sound well enough for $99 headphones? Absolutely. I've been taking these with me to the gym alongside 3 other wireless headphones, all of which are more expensive than this, including my AirPods Pro. And I've never gotten to a point where I've thought to myself, man, I need to switch headphones to a different pair. And after about 2 hours of use, I had about 50 to 55% of my battery life left. Now, of course, you can get longer battery life if you turn off active noise cancellation. But bro, these are $99 headphones with decent noise canceling capabilities. Just keep it on. It's a totally different listening experience. There's a dedicated iOS and Android app for pairing, software updates, and basic customization. The headphones have 4 different gestures: swipe for volume, double tap to play pause. Those 2 gestures are fixed, you can't change them. But there are 2 more, triple tap and tap and hold. Those 2 gestures can be adjusted in the app. You can also mess around with the equalizer settings a little bit, and if you really wanted to, you can change the noise canceling modes and noise canceling strength. So when Nothing first announced these headphones, talking about dope design, great sound quality, active noise cancellation, all for under $100, I was sitting there like,
boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
But they did it. Sound quality and noise canceling are really good, and the design is A+. Now, if you were to come up to me and be like, bro, should I buy the Nothing Ear 1 or a pair of $300 wireless headphones? Bro, buy these 3 times. No, but seriously, do you own them or do you want to own them? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed, come on, bro, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon. Do us a favor. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. But they did it.